Alright, so सुबह के बज रहे हैं 7.
Smile.
No, I don't know where we are going, but let's see where we are going.
Let's go for
Shopping!
A few minutes later.
It's even more cold than Amritsar. You are taking to home, Mama.
Yes.
No, I mean below the kings live on top.
The view of Taj Mahal is more peaceful here than the actual Taj Mahal there. Now we put this.
Okay, start.
Hi guys, welcome back to Nomadic Explorer. Today we are going to Taj Mahal.
Hey, are you excited?
Yes, we are leaving Jaipur now.
So let's go.
Let's go!
After 3 unforgettable days in Jaipur, we are now heading to Agra, the crown jewel of our North India tour. Our adventure began a week ago in Amritsar. From there, we transitioned to the regal charm of Rajasthan, where Jaipur welcomed us with its royal splendor. Adding to the excitement was our first time experiencing the super-fast Shatabdi Express, a journey filled with comfort and thrill. As a South Indian family visiting North India for the first time, this trip has been revelation. Our perspective of North India has transformed completely. The people here are warm and welcoming, the food is absolutely divine, the shopping options are incredible, and the history is unparalleled. We couldn't have asked for a more enriching experience. If you haven't already, don't miss our Amritsar and Jaipur travel videos. Links are in the description, go check them out and relive those beautiful moments with us. But the grand finale of our tour is yet to come. The Taj Mahal, a masterpiece we have heard stories about, read in the school books, and admire from far afar through TV screens. Now it's time to experience this seventh wonder of the world in person. Words can't express our excitement. Let's embark on this magical journey to witness the timeless beauty of the Taj Mahal. Stay tuned. Alright, so सुबह के बज रहे हैं 7 and हम निकल चुके हैं ताज महल के टूर के लिए. It's so cold. So now we are all set. If you have seen our Jaipur video, you already know we rented a car to travel from Jaipur to Agra. Our driver turned out to be such a fascinating and reliable person that we decided to hire him for the rest of our tour. For just 25,000 rupees, he's taking care of all our travel needs, including exploring Agra today, heading to Delhi for 2 days of sightseeing, and finally dropping us off at the airport. I will leave his contact information in the description in case you're planning a similar trip. The Taj Mahal is one of the most iconic tourist destinations. It is also one of the most visited tourist destinations in India. With holiday season around, it can get extremely crowded. To make the most of our visit and avoid the rush, so we decided to visit Taj Mahal early in the morning to avoid the crowd and have some peaceful time to witness this beautiful monument. Alright, तो हम आ चुके हैं यहाँ पर ताज महल पे एंड आपको टिकट के बारे में मैं बता देता हूँ. गाइड हाफ डे, full day, 1 to 5%, 1800, 6 to 14%, 2200, 2800. Okay. Just make sure कि you go with a registered guide, don't go with anybody. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्कैम होता है, तो एक बार ID कार्ड चेक कर लेना जो भी बंदा आपके साथ जा रहा है. तो हमने गाइड लिया है. Now we'll go inside and buy the ticket. It will be cold, baby. Or you're better only. Do you want to enjoy the rest of the holiday? No?
I want to keep like
Okay,
this.
keep it like. After some time we'll go. Want to talk?
Hello. We are at Taj Mahal.
तो आ गई शटल, इसमें हम जाएंगे अंदर.
Please get down. Thank you, sir.
मम्मी
Come.
Good. There are no vehicles allowed within the radius of 500 meters, so you have to take this electrical coach or shuttle bus and pay 20 rupees to travel from the parking to the Taj Mahal entry gate. ताज महल एक्सप्लोर करने के 2 ऑप्शंस है. पहला ऑप्शन है गाइड के साथ, दूसरा ऑप्शन है विदाउट गाइड. हमने चूज किया है कि हम गाइड के साथ एक्सप्लोर करेंगे बिकॉज दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट टाइम. The second option is if you're someone who don't want to rely on a guide, you can go by yourself and explore the Taj Mahal. Talking about the ticket, you can pay 50 rupees and explore from outside, or you can pay 250 rupees and explore the upper level as well as the inside of Taj Mahal. Oh भाई भीड़ देखो, इतना सुबह आने के बाद भी. क्लॉक रूम, यहाँ सामान लगा सकते हो आप यहाँ पर। नाउ हम अंदर आ चुके हैं। हम यहाँ से आए हैं जो कि वेस्ट गेट है, जिसको फतेहपुरी बेगम गेट भी बोलते थे पहले, जो कि फर्स्ट वाइफ है। ये सामने जो हमारे है मुमताज़ गेट, जिसको अभी लेबर गेट बोलते हैं, एंड वो वाली थर्ड वाइफ के नाम पे है गेट, जो कि अभी वीआईपी गेट है, जहाँ से सारे वीआईपीज़ लाइक प्रेसिडेंट बिल क्लिंटन, लेडी डियाना, ऐसे बड़े बड़े लोग यहाँ से एंटर हुए थे। एंड ये है शाह गेट, ये वाला मेन गेट है, जिसके अंदर से आप जाओगे सीधा, फिर 500 मीटर में आपको ताजमहल पड़ेगा। जस्ट बिकॉज यू डोंट कम हियर अगेन एंड अगेन, हमने एक फ़ोटोग्राफ़र भी हायर किया है ताकि फैमिली के फ़ोटोज़ अच्छे से आए एंड अच्छे से हम एक मेमोरी यहाँ से लेके जाए। सॉफ्ट कॉपी, डिजिटल एंड हार्ड कॉपी दोनों मिल जाता है आपको यहाँ पर। तो ये देखो, going back. Okay. So as soon as you get closer to the door, from here the Taj Mahal is looking very closer. But जैसे जैसे you will go close to the door, Taj Mahal पीछे जाते रहेगा। ये एक ऑप्टिकल इल्यूजन है यहाँ पर, जो उस टाइम के कारीगरों ने या वर्कर्स ने क्रिएट किया था। तो आप देखो, मे बी कैप्चर हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है, देखते हैं। ये अभी दूर हो गया ताजमहल, वहाँ से दूर से कैसे लग रहा था कि इतना पास है ताजमहल, बट यहाँ से वहाँ तक 500 मीटर्स का डिफरेंस है। एंड वी आर हियर फाइनली इन फ्रंट ऑफ द 7th wonder of the world, Taj Mahal. Built between 1632 and 1648, Taj Mahal, one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. Made entirely of white marble, its color changes with the light, pink at sunrise, bright white during the day, and golden at sunset, making it look magical at any time. The walls are decorated with delicate carvings and patterns made from colorful stones like jade and turquoise. Beautiful flowers and verses from the Quran are carefully designed on the marble, showcasing incredible skills and attention to detail. The huge dome in the center and 4 tall towers around make it even more grand. Surrounded by a large garden and a pool that reflects its image, the Taj Mahal looks peaceful and stunning from every angle.
Smile.
ओ भाई साहब, इतना खूबसूरत है, इतना खूबसूरत है, क्या बताऊँ। जितना भी हमने मूवीज़ में, फ़ोटोज़ में, वीडियोज़ में देखा था, इन रियलिटी इट इज़ अ कंप्लीट डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस। With the fog and all, it's looking so good. क्या ही बोलूँ मैं। सो जो गाइड इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहे थे, इतना ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन है कि मैं वीडियो में डालूंगा तो आप लोग बोर हो जाओगे, बट ओवरऑल ज़्यादातर इन्फॉर्मेशन आपने यूट्यूब में देखा होगा कि ये जो पिलर्स है जो देख रहे हो आप सामने, इट इज़ नॉट स्ट्रेट, ये थोड़ा टिल्टेड है ताकि अर्थक्वेक के टाइम पे ये ताजमहल के ऊपर ना गिरे। ओह माय गॉड, इतना हिस्ट्री है कि कैसे बना है, कैसे इसको बनाया गया था, किसका फाउंडेशन कैसा है। इसका फाउंडेशन लैंड पे नहीं, वाटर पे है, जिसके अंदर टीक वुड डाल के प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया, उसके ऊपर से कंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ था। तो बहुत सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन है, आपको मैं अभी बताऊंगा तो बोर हो जाओगे, जैसे मैं बोल रहा था। आने से पहले थोड़ा रिसर्च कर लेना कि आपको पता रहे कि आप क्या देख रहे हो, कैसे ये सब बनाया गया था, क्या क्या हुआ था।
Hi guys, we just saw Taj Mahal right now. So we learned a lot about it, how it was, when it was built, how many paint artists. So from the letters, it goes small to big. Like how you do in a pencil drawing. You go big, then it comes small. Small. Like that. Bye.
20 rupees.
तो जी ये था टूर हमारे ताजमहल का। नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स आगरा फोर्ट। तो चलिए देखते हैं आगरा फोर्ट कैसे होता है।
Now we have just got down and we saw Taj Mahal, how pretty it was, all things were there. We bought one keychain for me, there's so many things. Now I don't know where we are going, but let's see where we are going. I think we are going to one fort. We are going to one fastest traffic. I'll show you the phone after this traffic. So cold outside. It's even more cold than Amritsar. A lot of traffic you can hear, right? Wow. Lot of traffic.
20 का टिकट है, एंट्री टिकट अंडर 15 इज फ्री है बच्चे के लिए।
Bye bye. Bye bye.
तो आगे है आगरा फोर्ट एंड टिकट देखो यहाँ पर इसका Agra Fort is an iconic symbol of the Mughal Empire. Located near the Taj Mahal in Agra, this massive and majestic fort was built in 1565 by Mughal Emperor Akbar. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to the history and the culture of the Mughal era. Surrounded by massive towers and red sandstone walls, this fort covers a huge area of 84 acres and stretch over 2.5 kilometers. Although built by the Mughals, the design reflects a blend of Islamic and Hindu architecture. Agra Fort is also famous as the place where Emperor Shah Jahan spent his last years under the house arrest gazing at the Taj Mahal. It is a must-visit destination for anyone who loves the history, culture and grand architecture.
I touched it.
शोर नहीं करना, ठीक है? शोर नहीं करना, हिलाना नहीं, पकड़ना, हाँ, ठीक है?
Lift your hand. It will come by you. हाथ उठाओ. हाँ, ठीक.
You are taking to home, Mama.
Yes.
But who used to live here?
Kings used to live here. Shah Jahan, Jahangir.
Who's Shah Jahan?
Shah Jahan, the one who built the Taj Mahal. So many old kings from Mughal Empire, they used to live here.
The army lives below, the kings live on top.
Army lives in different places. This is only for king and his family. So the fort is very huge. यहाँ पे आपको कम से कम 2 से 3 घंटे लगने वाले हैं सारा फोर्ट अगर आपको एक्सप्लोर करना है तो. It's an open place. Just walk around, see the architecture. जो व्यू है यहाँ से बहुत अच्छा है बस. एंड उसके बाद आप 1-1.5 घंटे में यहाँ से वापस जा सकते हो. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಜ್ಮಹಲ್ painting.
Did you tell what was the empty space?
Oh no. Agra Fort was served as the primary residence of the Mughal rulers until 1638. Within its walls, you will find palaces, mosques, and halls showcasing intricate details and designs. A visit to Agra Fort is a journey into the rich history and the culture of the Mughal era. Grandeur, strategic importance, and stunning artistry make it an unmissable destination. Although we have not gone with a guide, but I would highly recommend you to hire a guide since there are no signboards or no information about the places you are going to visit. So hire a guide to understand the history, culture and the architecture of this massive fort. तो हो गया आगरा फोर्ट का टूर भी. अभी वो लोग ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं और लेकिन मैं बाहर जाऊंगा देखूंगा कि वहाँ पे हॉर्स राइडिंग है. हॉर्स राइडिंग के लिए करने का नहीं तो हम अभी चलते हैं लंच के लिए. लंच करेंगे. लंच के बाद फिर जाएंगे सदर बाज़ार या मीना बाज़ार. दोनों में से एक डिसाइड करते हैं. तो चलिए आगे देखते हैं क्या आता है.
Now we are going on a horse ride. It's kind of scary.
What is the name of the horse? टमाटर. नेक्स्ट विल बी द हॉर्स राइड जो यहाँ पे हम जाने वाले हैं अभी इस हॉर्स राइड में. एंड देखो ऐसे लाइन से यहाँ पे खड़े रहेंगे. इफ़ यू वांट टू गो यू कैन गो. ऐसा कोई मैंडेटरी नहीं है. 400 रुपीज़ लेंगे एंड 1 किलोमीटर से 1 to 1.5 किलोमीटर तक घुमाएंगे। हम बस एक्सपीरियंस के लिए कर रहे हैं। बस आई जस्ट वांट माय मदर इन लॉ एंड माय डॉटर टू हैव दिस एक्सपीरियंस, सो लेट्स सी। नाउ वी हैव कम हियर फॉर लंच। नवाब्स, द बेस्ट ऑफ मुंबई नाउ इन आगरा। How was the food, Sam?
Nice.
What did you like? The curry or the rice?
I really like the curry, how he made it flavors, chili.
Yeah, that was a butter chicken curry. Butter chicken curry. Yeah. So the food was so good. Now we are done with the biryani and the butter chicken. अभी टाइम है फिरनी का। फिरनी टेस्ट करते हैं।
I'm not going to taste.
Yeah, she doesn't like फिरनी।
What is even fish?
You should eat. So good. So good.
Once I've eaten the piece of finger, I didn't like it.
So now let's go for
Shopping!
shopping.
First time I actually hit the ball.
अच्छे से नॉनवेज खाकर बहुत अच्छा लगा बहुत दिनों के बाद। तो आपको नाम याद रखना, नवाब्स। सामने हल्दीराम है, बगल में भी 2-3 होटल है यहाँ पे, एंड पंछी पेड़ा यहीं पे मिल जाएगा आपको। तो कभी भी आओ यहाँ पे, टाइम निकाल के आना नवाब्स। अगर आप नॉनवेज खाते हो तो वेजिटेरियन ऑप्शंस भी है, बट नॉनवेज बहुत अच्छा है, स्पेशली बटर चिकन। एंड उसी के साथ साथ आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा पंछी पेड़ा भी। आप आगरा आओगे तो पेड़ा खाओगे ही, टेस्ट एटलीस्ट टेस्ट तो करोगे। नहीं लेके जाना भी हो तो एटलीस्ट टेस्ट तो करोगे। हेलो जी, पंछी पेड़ा से हो गई शॉपिंग। दालमोहन, मसाला मिक्सचर और गजक एंड पेठा लिया है 2 टाइप का, एक मिक्स वाला, एक प्लेन वाला। ठीक है, क्योंकि ये एक फेमस शॉप है यहाँ का, इसलिए यहीं से लिया है हमने। बाकी आपको टाउन में भी मिल जाएगा, तो देख लेना आपके हिसाब से। Our last destination for the day was Sadar Bazaar, a lively market buzzing with street food and endless shopping options. After wandering around for a while, we just can't stop ourselves and try the local chats and the most famous Malai Chap. The flavors were absolutely incredible. Since we have already shopped in Amritsar and Jaipur, our bags were completely full. So we decided to skip the shopping and head back to our Airbnb. However, if you're visiting Agra, make sure you try the Malai Chap, Pani Puri and other chaat varieties here. They are a must. Speaking of our stay in Agra, we decided to stay in a 3-bedroom apartment located just 4 kilometers from Taj Mahal in the Samshabad area. This property was thoughtfully decorated and equipped with everything we needed, from a cozy kitchen to make our coffee or a quick Maggie for our breakfast, to having a room heater in every room is a blessing during the chilly nights. The apartment offered comfort and convenience, making our stay in Agra truly enjoyable. We highly recommend it to anyone planning a visit. I will leave the link in the description for you to check it out. Cold, cold, cold. Cold, 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 cold.
So good.
Where are we going now?
Well,
Where? We're going to Mehtab Bagh. Mehtab Bagh. 4 एडल्ट है, बच्ची है 6 साल की। Mehtab Bagh, also known as the Garden of Moonlight, originally designed as a garden to provide a stunning view of the Taj Mahal, holds a fascinating history tied to the Emperor Shah Jahan's unfulfilled dreams. Legend has it that Shah Jahan envisioned building a black Taj Mahal, a matching mausoleum for himself on the opposite bank of the Yamuna River. However, this grand plan was halted by his son Aurangzeb, who later placed Shah Jahan under house arrest in the Agra fort. This beautiful garden, spread across 42 acres, is a serene and meticulously planned space. It offers not only a glimpse into Mughal architectural landscaping, but also tells the story of Shah Jahan's last wish, which was to rest eternally beside his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Mehtab Bagh serves as a tranquil spot for visitors, offering breathtaking views of the Taj Mahal, especially during the sunset.
it's very peaceful how you can see the full view. It's very nice how you can do everything, so many things. You even play with your friends, yeah.
We are at Mehtab Bagh, which was supposed to be created for the king बना होता तो बहुत अच्छा होता. But anyways, at least we got to see this. Very happy. The view of Taj Mahal is more attractive here and free. And there's no much people here. I think we are the only ones here presently. So it is so peaceful to watch Taj Mahal from here as well. So I think you must visit this place as well.
सबको इंडिविजुअल अच्छे से टाइम मिल रहा है यहाँ पर. जितना हम अंदर गए थे कल वो तो एक्सपीरियंस था ही था अलग से, लेकिन यहाँ से एक डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस है. ज़्यादा हड़बड़ी नहीं करना पड़ेगा, आराम से आप बैठ के देख सकते हो, जितना चाहे उतना टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते हो. ये था टूर आगरा का. आगरा में हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा, ताजमहल से लेके आगरा फोर्ट तक, एंड ये मेहताब बाग, खाना यहाँ का सब कुछ अच्छा था. सिटी बहुत नीट एंड क्लीन लगी हमें. बहुत कम सिटीज़ है इंडिया में जो इतने क्लीन एंड नीट लगते हैं, एंड अच्छे से वेल मेंटेन सिटी है. तो अच्छा सा एक्सपीरियंस था. एंड अभी हम जाने वाले दिल्ली, जहाँ पे 3 दिन स्पेंड करेंगे, एंड उसके बाद वापस जाएंगे बेंगलुरु घर. अभी ऑलरेडी 10 दिन से हम घूम ही रहे हैं बस. It is true that travel brings out the best in you. For us, this trip has been an incredible opportunity to spend quality time as a family, creating memories that we will cherish forever. Every place we visited added its own charm to our journey. But what made it truly special was the time we spent together. Agra was a unique experience. We found the city to be more well-maintained and developed compared to some of the other cities we explored. While parts of the old city and surrounding areas could use some improvement, overall we thoroughly enjoyed our time here. The blend of history and culture left a lasting impression on us, making Agra a destination we will always remember fondly. With this, we have come to the end of our Agra tour.
Agra was so nice, the clean city, the food was nice, the hotel, especially the bed and all the hotels. But the main thing was Taj Mahal. It was so nice how the guide used to teach us how was the Taj Mahal when built, what works were there like Belgium and all the works. So how beautiful it was. Then how peaceful it was from the backside in the garden. It was so peaceful.